Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing these two new collections from Modelones. I think this one is in the wrong way round. I think the box should be that way round. Is it? I think it should be like that. I don't know, that's just me. Yeah, I think it should be like that. I think someone's put it in the wrong way around. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So these came the other day, and they actually, you could probably see some aquagel there in the corner. Came as a big unboxing. At the moment, I'm just going to show you this set. This is the Secret Garden set. I absolutely love this set. The bottles, they've changed the packaging for this collection. In fact, there's some other collections that are similar to this. So I was like, oh my gosh, they've not got the wooden lids anymore, which, to be honest, I think, look, so the bottles are the same, they've just got different lids, and I think there's nothing wrong with the wooden lids. I just think they're more awkward to hold than these normal lids, and obviously the swatch is a little bit difficult to get, so I think you could easily put a, look, they're kind of awkward to you do get used to it, don't get me wrong, you get used to it, but these normal lids are going to be a lot more easier to hold, and you can get like a swatch pop on those. So brilliant. Yes, loving it so far. Also, there's another set that was in my package. I'm going to show you those polygels on a different day because I love those as well. This one looks like it's in the right way round. Am I being super fussy? Probably. Anyway, let's get into this one. I absolutely love the bottles, the designs on the bottles. So this one's the Retro Lady collection. Look, how cute is that? I absolutely, when I was like opening these, I was like, I even sent a picture to Karen because I was like, oh my God, Karen, how cute are these? I'm so silly. So they've got numbers on the back. They haven't actually got names as far as I can see, but each bottle has got an individual number. So yes, so I guess that's how you can tell them apart. Or like if you do swatch pops, you can put 14, Retro Lady 14 or something, or Retro Lady 15, you know. I was like, oh yes, these colours. So yeah, so I'm going to swatch them. I'm going to start with the Retro Lady collection. So this was, I don't know what number that was because my recording box is in the way. What I'm going to do is, I've got different swatch pops. I'm going to swatch the back. And I'm going to do 2 coats. And I do top coat the underneath as well. You could just wipe off a tacky layer, but I'm going to top coat. So that's the first one. Then we have got number 14. I can see that through the box. If I squint, I can see it. So this is more of a, I think that first one was a, oh no, this is the bluey one. No, is it green? Oh, it's difficult to tell. Oh my gosh. I'm not doing a very good job here, am I? One of them was more blue, and then this one might be more green. Oh, there was the first one green. I can't even remember now. It was like 2 seconds ago. Number 15. This is like a stone colour. There we go. The colours, I think, really fit the name, like Retro Lady. They're kind of like, I don't know, is vintage the same as retro? I kind of get like a vintage vibe. I don't know, number 16. How cute is that though? Oh my goodness. This is a kind of, what would you call this? Like a nude, like a, I don't know. I'm so rubbish at describing colours. I don't think I'm definitely not colourblind. I am just absolutely rubbish at, don't look at my nails. Oh my goodness, don't look at my nails. Then this was this 17? I don't know. I quite like this colour. Or is it the next one? There's one colour that's really my favourite out of the whole lot. Actually, not out of the whole lot, but it's just a really nice colour. I quite like this one too, actually. This is a nice one. That's quite a nice, I like that one. Yeah, I like that one. I don't know how I'd describe it, but I like it. Then this is number 18. Yeah, this one. I like this one. Look at this. I don't usually like this kind of colour. It's like a berry, I don't know, I want to say like a berry red. Like it's a, I don't know, it's just a nice colour. And then we're going to move on to the Secret Garden collection. I love the label. I love the design. I love the pattern of these. This is number 24. I just love this. I love this one. So this is a really nice, how would you describe this? Cream. It's a cream. It's a cream colour. There we go. The light keeps going, doesn't it? It's really annoying. Look at the pattern. Look at the design on the bottle. Number 25. Oh, I just love this so much. So this is what I'd call a proper Buttercup Yellow. Look at that. That's actually a quite nice yellow. I'm funny about my yellows, but I do quite like this yellow. English Mustard Yellow. This one's a how would you just, this is like a French mustard colour. Actually, this colour, I've never been too keen on this colour, but I know it is last year it was quite a popular colour, wasn't it? Whereas I would never really choose this colour, but each to their own. I think it's this one that I like. This one reminds me of a proper terracotta colour. That one, I think that's terracotta. Don't you? Don't you agree? Say yes, please. Oh dear. The next two are, I think, are my favourites. Look, oh my god, that design on the front is just so cute. I'd love to recreate that design. Maybe I'll recreate that design on a nail. Or in a set of nails. So this is a nice pink. Like a, no, I don't know. I wouldn't call it a muted, but I don't know. Just don't describe the colours. Just sit there and dribble over them. Okay, I'll do that instead. I like that pink though. That's a nice pink. And then this one is obviously going to be my favourite. Oh, how cute is that pattern on the front though? This is, it's the purple. It's the purple. And it's my kind of purple. Oh, how cute is that? Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm going to apply a second coat though. These cure in a lamp for 30 seconds as well, by the way, in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. So that's the last one. And I'm just going to quickly show you going back to the retro lady. I'll show you the bottles and then the swatches. So yeah, so this is just a warm-up video for Model One's big Valentine's sale. So make sure you check their website out. You've got my code Natalie00 if you want to save 10%, but they're doing loads of good deals on the website. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. And I will see you all next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.